In this video, we'll see how to download, install, and activate TallyPrime license. First, I'll go to the browser and then I'll type tallysolutions.com. Once I go to the website, I can see the download option here and I click on download. And as you can see, we can see the latest versions of Tally here. So currently the latest version is 5.1. I can see the both versions, the 5.1 normal version and also the edit log version. In case you want to download the previous version, you can come here and click on previous versions and you can download Tally 4.0, 3.0, any previous version that you want to. And then I'll click on download, and as you can see, the setup file is already getting downloaded. Once the setup file is downloaded, we'll start with installation. I'll just show you how. And let me now take this setup file on desktop. I'll paste this here. And to install TallyPrime, I have to double click on the setup file. I double click on setup file, then I have to say yes. And it'll just take a couple of minutes for the setup. I'll say install. In case you already have an old version of Tally inside your Tally, it'll ask you inside your system, it'll ask you to upgrade and you have to click on upgrade. And as you can see, the installation is done. So I click on start TallyPrime. As soon as I do that, it will just take a couple of minutes for Tally to open, and it will ask me which country I belong to. By default it's India, so I accept. And as you can see, we are inside the product and now we have four options here. First option is try it for free. So here in educational version of Tally, you can use all features of Tally except for changing of dates. In education version of Tally, you can only use first and last date of the month and you cannot use any other dates. Other than that, all other features can be used. Second one is use license from network. So this is used in case of uh, multi-users where the Tally is installed in one system and the user wants to access the same Tally from different system. It is used there. Third one is reactivate existing license, where if your license is already activated somewhere and you want to reactivate the same license here, you can use this. And fourth one is activate new license. I'll just show you the fourth one. Yeah. So here, once you buy a Tally license from us or from anyone, you can to your registered email ID, serial number and activation key will be shooted. You have to enter that serial number, activation key here, and also the email ID, or your registered email ID. Once you enter that, unlock key will be sent to your email ID. Once you enter the unlock key here in the product again, the Tally license will be activated. Now, since we are now using a license which is already activated before, I'll go back to reactivate existing license. And here it will ask us for tally.net ID and password. In case you remember, it's good. In case you don't, you do not have to worry because there's an option called reset password here and which you can be used. So I'll use my email ID and I'll enter the password and I'll click on enter, and it will just take half a minute to a minute for the license to be activated. So as you can see that it's loading now, and activated, reactivated. So here you can see currently it's education mode. On the top left you can see it's currently the education mode, and now you can see it's the gold mode. So we have a gold user of license and the message says congratulations, your license is successfully reactivated. You click on enter and the product restarts after the first reactivation. And as you can see, this is the home screen. So if you click on this version TallyPrime Gold, it now shows this is the license, it expires on this date, this is the serial number, this is the gold rental license, and this is our registered email ID. So this is the procedure for you to download, install, and reactivate Tally license. Thank you so much.